Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let me turn this music down real quick. Let's do that real quick. I hope you guys are having a good morning so far on the YouTube stream. You're going to hear other voices on this stream. I just want to let you know those are the members from the Legacy Wealth Society, a trading community helping new traders and seasoned traders start making money in the actual markets. With that being said, just preparing here for today's session. Trying to see everything we got going on. Um, I did trade some news this morning, and we're just going to keep it moving. We're going to keep it moving today. Currently up for the day, just under $6,000 for the day. Well, I hope wherever you're watching this from, you're having a good day as well. I'm excited, extremely excited for today because, man, there's nothing else that we can do that we can make this type of money. In a session, in a couple minutes, in an hour, nothing. That's why I love trading so much, to be real with you guys. All right, there's that screen. Bear with me. Trying to get all this situated for today. You're going to start hearing members getting on the stream here shortly. There we go. Awesome. So in the chat, if you're put in how long you've been trading, a year, a couple months, want to see how long you guys have been trading for, because I get it. Trading can sometimes be difficult, but when you do it right, it's really, really simple. All right, I'm ready to trade. Like, I don't know about you guys, but whenever I get on the charts, I'm ready to trade. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, sir. Good morning. I get excited, and today I'm excited. We currently have 7 minutes to market open. With that being said, we currently are below the VWAP. Good morning, G. Good morning, sir. We're currently below the VWAP, gentlemen. Currently below the 21 EMA. And we have the close from yesterday currently sitting at 455.75.
456.
Well, mine is 455.75. So I can only say what is on mine. And
look, man, when I get on TradeAway, it's like 2008, so don't contemplate.
Oh my goodness, this guy here, man.
Let me do that real quick so I can adjust this.
014.
Yeah, this guy G, man, what about him?
What about him? What about him?
All right. Is the music good for you guys?
Oh yeah, that's good.
I turned it down on my end because it was blasted.
Market looks like it's on a downtrend.
Oh yeah, I'm very bearish today.
Okay.
I did take a trade this morning. Couldn't sleep well last night, so I got out of bed at 4:30. Went to the gym, came back. We had news at 8:15, so I took a trade on that one. We had news at 8:30 as well. I took a trade there.
Oh my goodness, a trader himself.
$6,000 almost for the day on this 150K account currently. And we still have news at 9:45 today and 10 o'clock. So it's going to be a busy one.
What happened? I thought there was going to be on that. I thought it was like three news feeds.
Oh, it was actually 4 today. We had the 2 8:15 and at 8:15 8:30.
Okay.
And then now we have 9:45 and 10 o'clock.
Okay, I got you.
Hey, Dwayne, the mix is good, but the music's a little lower than it normally is. So, like, if you're mixing it like your normal garden mix, it's just a skosh lower.
Okay.
It's not bad though. I can totally hear your audio very well though.
I'm making slight adjustments right now on that. So I'm gonna be putting that music back in the mix for you guys right now. How's that? Is that better?
Yep. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Bum, 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 bum.
Good morning,
Got a wow
Kayla.
pedal.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning to her. K Money.
K
Yes,
Money.
sir.
3 more minutes. I'm ready to trade. I'm ready to go. I'm jacked up on the juice once again today.
Jacked up on the juice. You said you were gonna quit that, man, and go all natural.
Not that juice. I was talking about like orange juice.
Jugo de naranja, por favor. Grande.
Market has been printing bear flags this morning. I love to see it because it's very easy to grab those moves. As you can see, we had, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 bear flags this morning. So I'm ready to see how the market responds to the New York session starting up here. Because we got the close right below us here. And I'm feeling like we're going to come down. I could be wrong. I'm not a professional trader. This is for entertainment purposes only for the YouTube stream. Congratulations.
I'm on it. I'm on the stream as well.
Okay. Yeah, so G was saying that the YouTube stream looks clearer than the Zoom stream for you guys, just so you guys know.
Well, Google has more money to get the codecs better. That's why.
Alrighty,
All
we're
right.
set.
Market looks like it's going up, but
Well, market's not even open yet, so we're waiting. We're going to see. We're below the VWAP currently.
We're waiting, we're anticipating.
Going to be patient because I did mess up that one of my funded accounts yesterday, taking a trade too early.
And your wife was getting her nails done and then heard about it.
I don't care about that. She's good.
Listen, man, it's just funny the circumstance. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm sorry, babe. The money you're spending right now on your nails, I just lost more of it. So
hey, maybe don't get all of them done. Just get 8 of them done. All right. Just teasing.
Going up here, we're probably going. I want to see us tap that VWAP. VWAP is
at the.
VWAP is currently at 487. 487.
Yeah, I see 487. So that's weird. That one day it was not sinking.
Yeah.
Because I was like, it's at the VWAP. You're like, it's still got to go up. I'm like, what? It's like, wait, that indicator is very
important.
It's a very easy thing to see. All right,
yeah.
We're about to open up.
We are. I gotta give me a little bell so I can ring ding 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 whenever it opens.
Here we go. Here we go.
Let's see. No rush. No rush. I'm not rushing nothing today. Ari up $6,000 for the day.
Hey, you didn't even have to show up at the stream at this point, sucker. But thank you for showing up anyway.
Look at that bear flag right there.
Oh, yeah.
Another one. Waiting though. I want to take it, but market just opened, so.
So what's stopping you this time?
Trying to be patient because I messed up one of my fundeds yesterday.
You took 2 trades before we even saw you. How is that being patient?
Well, that was for this session, the New York session. I'm trying to be patient. All right, man, leave me alone. Leave me alone. This is craziness.
There's got to be like a disclaimer. I've known Trey for a long time because otherwise he'd be over me by now, I think. But
no,
it's all in love, brother. It is. It is all in love.
Mr. Nelson, welcome to the stream, sir. Okay, I didn't want to talk to you either, sir. My bad. No disrespect. It's like, got on, said, welcomed him to the stream, and he muted his mic right away. That's crazy. That's craziness.
Like later on.
All right, we pushed through that VWAP.
Yeah, quite handily.
Big ripper right there. Glad I didn't jump in on that short there because, man, that would have been ugly.
Maybe hand some of that 6G back. Hey, since we're waiting and not trading, I do have a question on Zoom. Do you know how, like, I could get rid of my, like, thumbnail on this? I'm on your page, but, like, it, you know, I have, like, a, you know, like a crude drawing that says Steve, and I just want to get rid of it.
You want to get rid of seeing your name?
Yeah, because you know, it's like covering up some of the charts. Like, I know who I am. Yeah, that's one thing about me. You might not like me, but I know who I am. And if I forget, I can look at.
If
my
you
driver's
pin my screen, that should stay at the top for you.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, David.
Okay, I'll have to look into that. But right now we're trading, so that's a
Morning,
great
Dave.
spot to go.
Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me?
All right.
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you, sir.
Awesome. How's everybody been?
We've been great, man. Making money, blowing accounts. How about yourself?
Right.
Well, I blew my account yesterday, G. That account I messed up, I blew it yesterday. So I was talking about myself. So just saying.
You live and learn. Live and learn.
Yeah, I just like I had that account I blew yesterday. Not gonna lie to you, it kind of hurt my feelings. It had like a lot of sentimental value. I had taken multiple payouts from it, and on top of that, when I first got it, I immediately went into drawdown. So I didn't trade it for like almost a month in July.
So that was the one that you just kind of like held out on because you didn't want to. You just kind of waited until you reset it, right?
I didn't reset it. I was just waiting for better market conditions to trade it.
Yeah. You didn't want to jump back in.
So
even like the next couple of days.
So didn't trade it. Started trading it in August after my loss on it. Got it healthy again. Took multiple payouts on it. And then I messed up yesterday. In moment of silence for its passing because that bad boy's gone today.
It's all good, man. Just gotta stick to it. That's it. But
100%. Listen, Dave, your boy's not that upset about it. It's just one of those things where it's like it happens, and then you want to reset yourself. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, because I have way too many accounts. Which account was it?
So 535, was that the previous close, or what is that?
That was overnight high. Overnight high. And this thing's ripping now. Let me switch to a different account here.
Yeah, just hypothetically, if you wanted to trade it.
Exactly. Just in case. Not saying I'm gonna trade it. Just so it's there. Just so it's ready.
Yeah,
so it's ready. We have a pivot point right above us now at 554. 554. Let's see if we get a slight pullback. It's only 5 minutes in, and this market took a dump and then shot right up. So, gotta love it. Good morning, Moose. Are you good today?
Moose.
Yeah, after 2.5 hours at Apple.
Sorry to hear that, man. Sometimes new technology isn't all that great. What can we say?
This is trash. So they went in the back and they took it for I don't know however long, right? And then they said they did a software removal and then they re-put it back in. And I'm like, but you put the same software back? So what the hell's the point?
Yeah.
You know? So I don't know. I'm on it again because obviously I'm not gonna waste my money.
Yeah.
But I wish they would just give me a whole new computer at this point.
I feel that.
Because
There-
now I gotta start from zero.
Yeah, when it comes to the computers though, they're not as willing to give brand new ones of those out if you have Apple Care, but an iPhone they'll give you a new iPhone quick on the quickness
Yeah,
just to get you
absolutely.
out of there.
Oh shit.
We're trailing back down.
Yep. Buyers are slowing down here. The sellers are trying to step in, potentially take us back to the VWAP.
That's what I'm kind of looking at on the candle.
I did drop my contract size on that one. Just because this one's getting a payout, I'll request it today. So not trying to do what I did the other day.
Yeah. VWAP.
Let's see how it reacts off that VWAP.
Oh wow.
Wow, right through it. Okay. It had different plans.
But now it's kind of rebounded.
Well, we'll see.
You think the EMA is going to give us some support between that? It's interesting.
Potentially yes. Potentially yes.
Thank you for seeing the potential. Like almost retrace that whole other candle. You know,
Yeah, we do have news as well at 9:45. So
hang on to your hats.
for real, because this is moving today so far. No complaints. No complaints. Want to build out either a bear flag or a bull flag for my liking.
But 5 minutes about to close.
All right, let's see if we get a bear flag right here. We got 5 minutes for this news, so still going to be cautious. Let's doodle, keep me out the market. The bears are trying to step in here. We got that VWAP and the 21 EMA getting tighter and tighter, close to each other. So looking at that, we got to push through that 21 EMA for it to be a little bit more comfortable, I would say. There was news this morning at 8:15 and 8:30. The market's been coming down from that news as well. So pretty sure that at the 9:45 we're going to get some more movement, probably to the downside, because we're building out another bear flag on the 1 minute. So
like yesterday, I went from having 1 minute, 2 minute, and 5 minute to like a 2 minute and then a 5 minute, but I can toggle the one. Just figuring maybe it's like there's getting too much data and kind of redundancy.
okay. $340 on that trade, so I'll take that. Trade of 5. All right. All right, 3 more minutes here. We shot up from open and came right back down. So lots of people got trapped this morning. Lots of people got trapped. Want to build out another bear flag here. That would make me feel a little bit more confident in us continuing down here. I like the flags. And today, I'm proud of myself. I actually have lines on my trading view chart now to doodle over there. You know?
Wait a second, that's doodling between two screens?
Yeah, crazy.
Look, yeah, I've been amazed by you for a while, but this is like a new level. No, I'm just clowning, but you're like your expertise in this, like it is a good tool to have, because it just.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to not jump in trades too early, because yesterday that was my issue. I've been dealing with this. It's not a big issue, but a slight issue for the past like 2 weeks now. I feel like on certain trades, I just jump the gun and I have to close out. And then the move happens. And if I would have just waited another minute or two, it would have been a whole lot better,
Yep.
So just try to use anything that I can to keep me from jumping in right away. Put it that way.
Yes, absolutely.
Geez, so I know you're on the YouTube stream. Are you on you're watching the YouTube stream, but are you on your phone for the audio?
No.
To talk?
I'm on my laptop.
Okay.
The Zoom call. And I'm just watching it from my TV.
Gotcha. That news came out.
That just shot up. Like
Nothing big right there.
Well, they had that one jolt.
Now I'm watching to see if we build out a bear flag on the 5 minute, since it pushed up because of the news. That's what I'm waiting to see. We now have news at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock for the next one.
Just keep it coming. It's kind of like it's like appetizers at a bar and grill. Just like every 5 minutes more. Like, can we get one more order of that news, please?
Like, I want to jump in here for a short for this bear flag because of that big selling pressure right there. We got to get through the VWAP for me to want to jump in and through that 21 EMA as well.
That wick is insane, but it's like the EMA and then the VWAP, it's like it could just be juggling around. Give us that momentum, baby.
Yeah. Bouncing off that 21 EMA and bouncing off that VWAP as well. We got to push through those in order to take it short. I'm not taking it short unless we get below them. Bulls are trying to push.
Oh, yeah.
So as we're waiting for this to play out here, this morning when I went to the gym, woke up, left the house like at 5 o'clock this morning, get to the gym, excited to work out. But when I got there, I had tear my truck apart trying to find my headphones. So anyone that works out,
I thought you were gonna say you had a motor problem or something, but only headphones. What a shame. What a
headphones.
What a first world problem. No, I'm just kidding.
Headphones. Mind you, I thought I carried them to the car. I did not. I left them at my house. So I had to work out listening to the gym music. It was a tough one this morning, not gonna lie.
All right, we broke through both of those. What do we got?
I say we go down to that 455 level.
Yeah. To really be sure. So, like, and the worst part was the gym was playing, like, Ingeborg Humperdinck.
It was playing a lot of different things. I'm like,
feelings, nothing more than. Like, you're doing a bench press, like, how much is that doggy in the window?
luckily I was doing arms today, but even that, I'm like, man, I need something like a pick me up for this workout today because the music was not it. I forgot to trade the other account. I'll do that next. Let's see if we build out another bear flag with that big wick. Well, that big candle coming down like that. Let's see what we get.
And that 5 minute is going to close.
Look at these wicks on these candles right now. Just crazy.
Yeah, I mean, it says a 5 minute one, and then you can tell we're like, we have the EMA, we got the VWAP, and we're in the middle of the 15 minute thing. So it's got to decide. Let's go.
We're below, just so you know, we are below the middle of that 15-minute range currently.
Okay, well, yeah, but I mean, it's like 40% on my chart.
Yeah.
So,
We are below it.
42.5 actually percent.
We are, well, we just pushed back up above the VWAP for a second there. Let's see how we react. We got to get away from this VWAP and this 21 EMA.
Yeah, it's just like, it's like a hot dog on a skewer right now.
I want to see us have like 1 or 2 green candles pushed up here on this 5-minute for another bear flag. No rush on the day. Not even 10 o'clock yet. We got news coming out at 10. Those sellers are trying to step in once again. But
it's writing right up my doodle.
Yep.
Like it's totally. It's like on the 2-minute. It's like a textbook flag. Like just like how I drew the angle.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like I created that indicator.
That's good.
It was only that easy.
We hit the middle of the 15-minute range and dropped right back down. So the sellers are trying to keep this price down. Thought I closed at 500, but I only got 60 of it. That's crazy. Unacceptable. Let's see if we build another flag. Crazy.
I'll take a quick 170 on that.
Okay, we'll take that, sir. We'll take that.
Quick short, nothing too crazy.
Let me switch actually to waiting for another flag. Switched off my take profit because took 2 trades on it. Closed out one at 500, only got $60 off of it. Then the next one I did, it was like 180, got like $40. So
that happened to me yesterday. It was up at 300, and then when it closed, it was like at 120, and I was like, what?
yeah.
Well, here we go. We're going down to 456, it looks like. Is that the overnight low?
455 is the overnight low. Well,
Okay.
not overnight low. That's the close from yesterday.
Okay.
455.
because on my Ninja like crackerjack indicator, it's 456.75, but it's a good reference.
Lots of wicks on that 5-minute chart. Tons of wicks over there. Let's see if we come up, tap the 21 in that VWAP to keep us going down here. Build out a nice little bear flag. All right, just tap that VWAP. Want some action. Oh, actually, never mind. Take the back. I do not want action right now. We got 10 o'clock coming at us. Just looked at the time. Glad I spotted that. Because I could have taken a trade without realizing. So
It clocks. Maybe we'll get a nice green candle in the 5-minute.
I want on the 5-minute for it to push up slightly so it could give us a bear flag. Because we got that pivot point currently at, let's see. We have a pivot point all the way down at 426. And we know pivots like to get touched, so.
I feel like a drop is gonna happen too after that news. I think
We're here for it, G. We're ready for it. Finger on the trigger, and for either direction.
That's it, man.
Just want something good.
Something.
I'm looking at this 2-minute. It look like a bull. Look in the print. A little bit. Starting off.
Yeah, we're sitting. We hit that VWAP again. Got rejected off of it there. Patiently waiting. 10 seconds now. 10 seconds for the news to come out at 10 o'clock here.
I can feel the tension.
Feel it.
Ooh,
News is
wow.
out. News is out.
Oh.
No, your song's not on yet, G. Relax. Calm it down.
Oh, I was like, whoa.
He's singing his own song right now. I think the Rankos are doing a techno jam.
We did not break out of the 15-minute range there. We did not break out of the 15-minute range, so.
It was like a cat darting across the room and then back or something. Can a cat owner confirm that?
No? Okay. I was trying to say
Guess
something. The buyers stepped in there, hold that price in the 15-minute range.
Oh, yeah.
So the battle's not over yet. But just look at the 5-minute. That's why I'm just looking. I'm like in awe. Like those wicks are crazy right now.
Yeah, it's just it's like like a small capacitor if you're into like wiring circuit boards or something with the tail on it.
Want to see a green candle push up slightly so we can drop off of it. Proud of everyone staying out of the chop right now. If you haven't taken trades,
Order filled.
no reason to get chopped up right now. I'm with you guys. I want to jump in a trade too, but patiently waiting. All right, got a green candle currently on the 2 minute and the 1 minute. Want to see it close green. Oh, not going to get that. We hit the over yesterday's close. Broke out the 15-minute range as well. Let's see if we go back up and touch it real quick. If not, we may be going to fall down here. So we're ready just in case. All right, there we go. Tapping the low, that 15-minute range right there. At least it's consistent. Every day it does the same exact thing.
Google's down it. Pivot point coming up.
Oh, keep going. Keep getting that money, Duane.
I'm trying, G. I'm trying.
Oh, I see it. Keep getting that.
$1,000 trade right there. I closed out of it.
Cool. Is that 431? Is that a pivot point? So it's very-
431 was the overnight low. Pivot point just got hit 426. Let's get through this pivot point. Patiently waiting. Up over, I'll have to add it up. I think I'm over like $8,000 for the day. Way it bounced back after losing a funded account yesterday.
Definitely big bounce back.
All right, tap that pivot point once again. We are making new lows every time we drop below it here.
So are we gonna have it?
Want us to build out another flag. Looking at the 5 minute, want this candle to stay green for when it closes. I want the candle to be green to let us, to give us another bear flag. That's what I'm looking for right now. And while that's playing out, let me This market's moving though. I'm like, I want to add everything up, but I don't at the same time because I want to be ready for a move here. Let's see how we react once we tap that pivot point once again. Not trying to go short right at the pivot only because we may bounce off of it. Sellers want to keep this price going down. On that 1 minute, we got that big candle with that wick on it. Come on, baby. Give us something. Give us that flag. We got 2 more minutes on this 5-minute candle. I'm trying to hold off on taking a trade because look at these candles with the wicks on top for those sellers trying to step in.
So you think that's good? That's just saying it's going to go up pretty much? With those, the way
No. So if you have the wicks on top of the candles, that means the sellers push the price down.
Okay.
So wicks on top, that's the sellers pushing the price down. Wicks on the bottom of the candles, that's the buyers trying to push the price up.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Want us to get stuck at that 455 level. I don't want to get above that level for the bear flag. Looking for an A++++ setup today.
Why not? With extra credit. Suck.
Getting a bear flag on the 2-minute currently, as long as this stays red. But I want a bear flag on the 5-minute. Even on the 1 minute, it's printing a bear flag currently. $37 more seconds. Let the battle stay right where it's at, so the next candle on the 5-minute could be a red one and take us lower.
Take it higher.
No, lower. We want to go lower, not
I
higher.
know.
Lower.
Let's talk about the profits.
Oh, okay. Got it. All right. Let's see what we get here.
That is a pretty sweet setup.
Do I have another 5 minutes in me to hold from taking a trade? The Bears need to have momentum for me to take it. No momentum, no trade. That's the rule for the day.
The wrinkle bars are the heartbeat, so at this point we're watching the wrinkle bars to see what they do.
Yep.
Mark, this market sucks today.
What do you mean? It's been great.
I don't like the consolidations.
Well, you gotta always remember if it's consolidating, sir, the move's coming. That's what that means. Whenever it consolidates, a big move's coming.
I've been waiting.
We're all waiting right now, so we're all with you, waiting together. I feel like we're building on this 5 minute a perfect bear flag.
It's pretty iconic.
Like I said, I don't want the bulls pushing above the 455. I want the bears to hold it below the 455 level. Because as long as they can hold underneath that 455, we'll be looking good. Oh, they're not holding. They're like, oh, never mind. We're going to give up. We're going to give up. We're tired. We're tired.
Now we got the EMA in play.
Yeah, we got the VWAP up there as well. That's why I was trying to not break back into that 15-minute range.
Yeah.
Only because we had so much going on up there.
Yeah. No, I was like, I as you were saying, I realized, just
Tap that 21. Bulls telling the bears to get off of them. All right, below that 15-minute range again, below the 455 level now. Minute 30 left, a minute 30 left on the 5-minute candle. That's what I'm waiting for currently. Trying to stay out of this chop as much as possible. Let me look at my phone, distract myself. On the 2 minutes, literally building out a beautiful bear flag. I mean, just straight beautiful. Look at that. Pole comes down, pushes up.
oh yeah.
We got 30 more seconds till this next candle on the 5-minute. Is this going to be the break? I feel like this is. I'm done trading this account. I'm done. Close at 500. Yeah, I scratched on the trade. That's crazy. That's craziness. That's unbelievable. Oh. And that's what hurts right there. Seeing that. All right. Oh, we're good. Refocus. Let's see if we use that pivot point to keep us going down here. Want to stay below that pivot point. Now I'm just waiting for another flag. I closed too early on that one. Oh, I'm not trying to do that. Buyer stepped in there.
Been trying to be so good, I actually just sent you a random text to look away from the button.
The things we do to keep us out of trades.
So if you're like, why did you send me that? Well, because I had to look at my phone, I had to like type it in and then send it to you. You know what I mean? But it just kept
That's
me away
awesome.
from. The phone is a chop-free zone.
That it is. That it is.
Okay, so I see this pivot, right? And I see like on the 2-minute, it's starting to build a bull flag. Where would we be heading if it breaks free from this?
I feel like we're building out a bear flag right now. That I jumped in slightly early on, sadly.
Where's G at?
He's quiet today.
I know, I haven't heard him use his song, man.
I'm here, guys.
Well, cool. Yeah, I didn't hear you like doing your vocalization over this freestyle jazz jam.
Right above the pivot.
Close that one. Not trying to be in much more drawdown on this account.
Kind of hit that pivot point, and the pivot point, the magnet, now it's acting as support. And it just seems to me between everything there, like it's just like we're kind of, it's got the other stuff kind of pulling it up, but it needs to break into a new area.
I say we retest at least 455, and we see what we get from there. But even on this 5 minute, that's still looking like a nice. It's building out a bear flag.
I'm still staying put. Typically I would have been like calling out numbers already.
You're good, man. You're good.
Hey, Duane, thank you for doing this. You know what I mean? It's just like, it says a lot that you're sharing with us. You know what I mean?
No, I'm glad you guys have been benefiting from it at the end of the day.
That's good, but when you put it on your YouTube channel, then just say it with more excitement. I'm glad that you are benefiting from this. Do a little I know you're in the middle of like computing.
Trying. It's so dark, can't even see it. Patiently waiting, patiently waiting.
I got my chart trader working again, but when I do trade, not that I'm doing it now, it doesn't show. It shows an indicator, but it doesn't show it on the Rankos like it did. So it took something out of the equation.
You added it on your Renko bars or no?
Yeah, but yeah, because before, like on the Renko bars, it would show like, okay, there's where you started, there's where you exited.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not doing it now. But I mean,
That's
it's
weird.
making the trade, so
Yeah.
like there's an intuitive way to do it, and then there's a Ninja Trader way to do it. So.
All right, tapping that 21 EMA. Let's see how we react off of it. All right, $1,000 trade right there. We'll take that.
For that VWAP.
Yep. Let's see how we react off that VWAP now. We're back inside that 15-minute range. All right, I think that did this one. Let me double check. Perfect. So done trading this account. So just locked in a 2K payout for that one.
Nicely done.
Oh, actually, let me double check one more thing. Well, actually, let me check this. Yeah, I'm not going to take another trade on that one. I'm less than $3 off of the mark I was trying to hit, so I'm not even going to stress $3. I'll take the $1,997 payout. That's fine.
I like the other one where you hit it within like 6 cents. It was that was cool.
Seller stepped in there. Let's see, where are we going? Where are we going?
Getting back to that EMA.
Yeah.
Good touch.
Patiently waiting for another move here. I need $600 more in this account to request a 2K payout on this one. I've already surpassed the days, but just trying to add a little bit more so I could get a 4K payout tomorrow. Want to push above that VWAP to take a long, but I'm not trying to take one below it currently.
Yeah.
$25 more seconds on the 5-minute candle, so I'm gonna hold till that comes out. Hanging out right at this VWAP right now. Price is hanging out right around that VWAP.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Close that. Perfect. 1240. I'll take that. I hit the close twice there. We'll take that. Whew, what a day, man. What a day. Let me pull up my...
Money. Okay, so here we go. We're at a whole number now.
I gotta see how much I did today.
I don't know if a calculator will go that high.
Well, I'm hoping. We'll see in a second. So on the day, how many accounts is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. In 6 of my accounts, my total, well, it was not over $9,000. I did
lunch on Duane.
Hey, let's go.
Ruth Chris.
I did have a bad trade on one of my take profits accounts. That was a 1760 loser for the day. So I'll deduct that, even though the other accounts are still safe. So just under $8,000, $79.86.96 for the day. I'll take that every day, all day long. So we'll do that.
So right now we're like in the middle zone of the 15-minute. We're dabbling with a whole number. So where do you see us going from here? Like, where's our breakout?
I honestly want to see us push above at least 532. Because that was the overnight high.
Okay,
so
yeah.
That's where, because we're in the 15-minute range right now, literally at the middle of the 15-minute range. So I just want to see a little bit of momentum. Your call's been forwarded to the voicemail, just so you know, whoever that was.
I'm trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
Currently waiting. I want to see some momentum. I lowered my contracts here because I'm going to get that $3. So I can have an even 4K payout tomorrow.
It's like the first time in 7 months you trade a micro account just to hit it right on the nose.
Well, I dropped it down one contract. So with some quick momentum, I should be able to sneak it. I want to get past the middle of this 15-minute range with some speed so I could click and click. In and out.
Clickety clack.
Did I get it? Let me see. I think I lost on that somehow.
Don't ruin your ratio being silly.
Oh no, I'm not concerned about the ratio.
Listen, ratio.
Let's see. I may actually switch to micros. I lost on that one. I don't know how. I did 2 quick clicks. I need less than... It was $3 now. I need because of the fees, I need like $20. So we'll see what we can get here. Let's see if we build out a bull flag right here. All right, I think we're good now. Let me check. Man, that's the hardest $30 ever. All right, we're good. We're good.
All
I'm
right.
done.
Yeah, I just signed into the live stream and it has like a snag. Like it's about 20 frames off. It lags.
It lags.
Yeah, on my phone. Like, clap your hands. Clap. That's when it happened on the live stream.
Okay.
So I'm just letting you know, like, there's like that slight, but the codec is definitely better. So Google's got the cash on that. I was just curious about that.
That's interesting. I'll double check because I have the settings where it's super low latency on the YouTube stream. So it should be only like a couple seconds off. It's as close as being live as possible, put it that way.
Yeah, there's just it's just a skosh slow. I would say, but maybe that's just they do a lot of things just to protect against making sure content and stuff. So it could just be that. Okay, we're starting to get up. We can pay some attention now at 30.
Yep. That 32 level, the overnight high. That's what I was waiting for us to get to. 1039. Up over $8,000, and that's after taking a losing trade. Would have been over close to like 10,000 for the day. So currently just waiting now. See if anything else presents itself. But if not, I'm gonna sit on my hands for the rest of the stream, only because lock in the profits, come back the next day and fight another day. That's it. But definitely, I'm disappointed with myself because I messed up one of my Tradeify accounts yesterday because I was working on getting a 6K payout today. But instead of 6, I can only do 4 now. So.
But you came back with a vengeance, so there's that. And,
no, 100%.
And
100%.
showing everybody, even the people that don't know you, that you're not a robot. You're not, you're sort of a robot.
Sort of a robot. Well, the whole thing about this, guys, for me at least, is when you have a loss, this is what I've realized with taking losses on trades and blowing accounts, everything like that. When you have that loss, the next day you can't let it affect how you trade. Because there's some,
right.
When I first started, if I had a big loss on or blew an account, the next day would be really hard for me to trade. Like extremely hard. I'd be nervous, anxious of just clicking the button,
Yeah, and then you make it worse because you're bringing that baggage, so you can't concentrate on actually trading. No, I mean, I say that's one of the things you taught me early on is just like, just to, every day is like a fresh start. So there's been days that I've just felt like I felt defeated, and I think everybody's been there. If they
Mhm.
if they say they haven't, they're lying. But
I've
it's like
been
I come
there.
back. I know, but I'm just saying. But I mean, it's like I come back that next day, and then I just rely on that system and rely on what you teach me, and I'm just and it's just like the main thing is like I'm not necessarily hitting like these huge numbers, but I'm looking for consistency because if I can do consistency, which is what you're teaching us, then the numbers will come.
Yep. The consistency is the biggest thing with this. Like, so
And
for
so
me, I literally lost yesterday a funded account that I put in over. I had built it back up to 4,300 after I just took out in August over $3,000 from the account in payouts. So I lost that account. Mind you, in my head this whole week, I've been battling myself because I've been trying to push for a 6K payout tomorrow. When in the grand scheme of things, I shouldn't even push because any payout's a good payout at the end of the day with what we put in the return we're getting back, you know. So for me, showing up each and every day with the consistency, that's a big factor and key to success with this. But it's also on those losing days when you blow an account, blow a funded account, or you go and draw down really, really bad on an account. Like Steve said, the very next day you got to come back with a clean slate. You know what I'm saying? You can't let the previous day affect how you trade because
I
each day
realize
is
that.
different. Each day is different in the market.
Well, for me, I realized it because I came back and it was almost like I was hungover. Like I stayed out too late or something
Mm-hmm.
like that. And I was just like, I'm like, that's gonna make it worse because if I'm thinking about it, but so it was just like I just realized, man. And then he gave me that wisdom, and it's just like every day is a fresh day, and it's the same even if you make 10,000 in one day. You can't just say, well, I made 10,000 yesterday. What are you doing today?
Yeah.
Or if you lost, you blew an account. What are you doing today? You know what I mean? Because it's just like it's not going to matter. You got the consistency, and that's really what you're teaching and what's coming through to me, and what separates what you're doing with everything else I've seen. It's just having that consistency and then just making the things run in our favor. So
Yep. The goal with trading is just to be consistent. Because listen, if you're consistently losing, that's okay at first because at least you're consistent. Like, no, for real. You're laughing, but that's real. The whole
I
thing
got
about
that
trading
down.
is staying able to be consistent. Because if you're consistently losing, literally, for me, what I started doing when I first started without our system, when I would consistently be losing, when I would go to click a sell, I would switch it to a buy.
Yeah.
Because clearly I just need to swap what I'm doing in that moment. You know what I'm saying? If I'm consistently losing. But now with our strategy, we don't have that issue of consistently losing. But the whole thing is we put so much pressure on ourselves. That's what hinders us. So like the pressure I put on myself for tomorrow, taking a 6K payout, that pressure wasn't even needed. We have enough pressure trading in the markets. But so
And
we shouldn't add to it, but we're all humans, we're not robots.
yeah,
It
thank you for that.
so you're going to put pressure on yourself. So if you're not seeing the big numbers, go back to square one. Just go for $50 and do that consistently. You see 50, go to 100. You see 100 consistently, go 150 and build it that way. Because that's what's going to give you the longevity and the results that you're truly looking for.
No, I feel that, and that's like great advice, and that's kind of where I've been lately. Is not trying to swing for the fence, just having the 4 accounts and trying to make them green every day. And so within that building like the practices to swing for the bigger numbers.
Yeah. For Ludens, are you LJ's wife? Dave had reached out to me this morning.
Yes, I am.
Awesome. Well, welcome. Welcome. I saw your name pop in. I didn't call you out because I didn't know it, but I figured you were LJ's wife.
Yes. Well,
How's
I'm not
LJ been?
He's doing well.
Okay. He's still over the road?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just having some difficulties with this. Like, I don't know where to go to fund the account.
To fund your account?
Yeah, because when I try to like place a bid or a sell, it says your account is not subscribed to the data feed associated with this account.
Okay. Are you on the are you on LJ's Ninja Trader?
Yes.
Okay. Not trying to put all the business out there. Since we are live on YouTube, everything like that as well. Does he currently have a Tradeify account? Or is it showing no account for him? And 1 second, and I'll show you what I mean.
I think you could direct message her like on
No, I know.
You know.
Thank you, Moose.
No doubt.
Hey, you could send her a telegraph.
No, how about messenger pigeons? I'd rather messenger pigeons. So on your control panel,
Wait, I have a Tradeify.
You have a Tradeify? Okay, how much what's the balance on it?
The balance? Like go to billing?
No. So where it says on Ninja Trader, let's see. In your control panel, I just clicked off my accounts. Bear with me. It's going to say your cash value. What's the cash value on the account for Tradeify?
0.
Can't be like 0.
Is it like funded accounts? I'm on Tradeify. I'm confused. Am I supposed to be on Tradeify or Ninja Trader?
So you're going to execute the trades on Ninja Trader.
Okay.
We use Tradeify to get the funded accounts, everything, the evaluation account, then the funded. That's what we use for the prop firm is Tradeify.
Okay, because it says funded accounts, no accounts found.
Okay. Do you have any evals or no? Or is it just completely blank on your Tradeify?
It's just blank. It just says no accounts found.
Okay. So to the top right, you're going to hit the create new account.
Start new account?
Yep, start new account.
Okay.
And then you would be going to the advanced 50K account. But I honestly, once you get it, I do not recommend you trading it. I'll have you trade a sim account first.
Okay.
But we have to get that account so you have the live data feed.
Okay. Continue. Okay, and I could just pay it right now.
Yeah, you pay them whenever you want to.
Okay.
Make sure you put SEP in the promo code.
SEP. Okay. Let me pay it 1 second.
Yeah, you're good.
Creeping up to 25 now. Come on,
Yeah,
Betsy.
I see it. Come on, Betsy. Come on. You can do it, girl. Come on. I'm just ready for 6 o'clock this evening so I can put my payout request. lost my water.
Those are
No.
pushing it down to
I'll
that
be right back.
number again.
Be right back, everyone.
Where did Dwayne go?
He has the runs. He went to the bathroom.
Oh my goodness.
That's what he said, right? He's like, "Oh my God, I can't hold that. I gotta run." Oh, that's
You're
what
on
I
your
heard.
own with that one, Moose.
He waddled out of there. You saw that?
Hey, how did you how you doing on your funded account?
Oh, I created it.
Yeah. Yesterday my brand new Mac, right?
Uh-huh.
It took a shit.
Bro, stop it, bro.
I swear to you, I'm not even kidding. Listen, so I think before you one of the times that you were on where you weren't off, you weren't on the call, right? I had just got on. Maybe I think it's like my first or second day. I had bought the Mac already, and it froze on me. Right, Dwayne? The Mac froze on me, and I couldn't get on. I could nothing.
Whatever you say, boss. Whatever you say, I'm back.
So now, listen, I went to this is my fifth time going to Apple for the same Mac because they won't take it back because I'm over the 14 days. But I'm like, bro, this is brand new. This is a brand new computer. So then I went back yesterday, and let me take this by, and I was there for 2.5 hours. So hopefully now it's working the way it's supposed to be.
Well,
But I
we're
lost
gonna
my
see.
account because it logged me off for everything yesterday.
Moose, just so you actually know, if something like that ever happens to any of you guys, remember you can log in on Tradeovate on your phone, and you could close on Tradeovate right there, so that doesn't happen to any one of you guys.
Like, wow. Wow.
I know it is after the fact now, but
Oh, man.
so
Yeah,
what I do, I have on my phone, not the app. You have to log in like through like the internet, your browser. Just have it as a favorite. So if
Yeah, gotcha.
that ever happens to any, you can log in real quick and still exit the trade, and it'll get you out the trade because it's all connected. Have you ever seen someone running down the street with bottles in their hands, calling out for a truck? That was literally me. The guy didn't stop. So, oh well.
You got your cardio in. I'm proud of you.
Hey, that's the best cardio, right? Where you're not thinking like you're doing cardio.
It's reactive cardio. You know, it's like high intensity interval training. And yeah, I bet you put on your headphones and had Eye of the Tiger on there as you were running.
I did not have Eye of the Tiger running. I literally had to run downstairs, go to my guest room where we keep in the closet all the extra water we have for our dispenser,
Yeah.
Grab the empty. So I got them in my arms. Yeah, I'm just running. I'm like, wait, I'm coming, please. And he was gone. So he dropped water. I just want him to take the empties.
Yeah, he saw you in the mirror and he just punched the gas.
Oh man, probably. We got a new guy now too, so
We thought you went to the bathroom.
no.
No, we in that. Noose was concerned about your.
Oh, that was
Man.
that was Moose. That was Moose.
Oh man. Listen, they just threw me under that truck he chased.
Wow, moves. So that's what we doing.
Hey,
That's okay.
body
Okay.
language says a lot.
Hey, can you hit Joel for me? I need to talk to him. Just so everyone else knows, that's an inside joke. Joel is the owner of the barbershop that he used to work at. So
That's how you feeling. I hope they drop your bottles.
pew pew pew. No, but I did after I brought the empties back in the house since I ran them out for nothing, literally. I realized my girl was here, so I had to go over there, greet her. Haven't really talked to her this morning. Been on stream, everything like that. Yeah, I told her the good news that we got the 4K payout coming tonight, so she could get her nails done again. So.
Yeah, what's it been, like 23 hours, man? Come on, treat her better.
Steve, I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
Hey, Duane.
Yes,
Where
ma'am.
do I go to make my screen black?
Make
Like
your
the color.
screen black.
Because it's white.
She's talking about the dark mode, Dwayne.
Yeah, the dark mode, that.
Okay. What we can actually do, because you're on LJ's account, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so that's just how he had his set up.
It was
Oh.
set up. I moved it to a new computer, so like I had to like reset everything up.
Okay. What we could do after the stream, because this is on YouTube and everything.
Oh, okay, sorry.
No, you're good. Like, I love the conversation for these, but we could get off because since you guys are part of the community, we'll just do it privately there.
Okay.
Just so that way the information is not going out to the world. You know?
Okay, thank you.
No, of course. Just hang out in this real tight area right here. Let me do some doodling. Come on, 11 o'clock now. 11 o'clock, we'll take it.
Yeah, it's like I'm looking at the 5 minute. It's got just a heck of a just sitting right there. It's still sitting in my old doodles.
Yeah, that's the channel we're sitting in currently. So for me, when it's moving sideways like that, I'm not even looking at taking a trade yet. We don't like sideways.
You know what I did is I doodled a line right at 33. That's just kind of sitting there, and now it's going towards it. So there's that.
Well, because you doodled, that's why it's going. The doodling works, man. Like, I'm tempted to really execute another trade, but I'm also like, I don't want to. Lock the money and come back the next day.
Well, you could get another eval and start trading that. I know you like to have a new friend.
Steve, my man, you're on it today.
I'm up 652 today.
That's amazing. Congrats.
I need back my 3Gs, yo. I'm annoyed, beyond annoyed. That's why I've been quiet. I've been trying to concentrate.
I figured that's why you were being very quiet today.
He was being studious with the charts.
Oh, absolutely. No, me and the Chubbs were going to war.
And you know, the last time he was this quiet when he had to work on Dwayne's eyebrows. I mean, he was like,
Not Steve taking shots today. Look at this.
Oh, Steve now wants to be a friend of mine. Okay, all right. Let me tell you what he said when you walked away too.
What did he say? This is getting juicy now.
Man. Imagine.
I must have forgot that. Just kidding.
Let's see. Cool. Give that a couple seconds. Just got another Tradeify eval account myself. Because Steve said I need another friend, so got another friend to change that into a funded account. Just maybe. I'm staying until 11:30. Let's see if I can pass that eval by 11:30.
Well, let's get this market to wake up. It's like taking a nap right now.
How many contracts you doing just to pass? How many contracts?
It varies on each prop firm. So like Tradeify, they cap you at 5 contracts. But I'll trade the full 5. Oh, there it is.
Once you catch those moves, oh my god! Now it's like I'm understanding, like not like.
Yeah, because it's like you get great reward, but there's great risk there too.
100%. 100%.
Yeah,
But that's why we gotta use the strategy to minimize the loss.
Yeah, like I can tell you, you know, we set up those ATM strategies, and I'd be using them, and then the market would just dip once, and it cut the trade, and it's like I wouldn't have cut it right there. So it was just like, you know, it was like too tight. But
yeah, I'm actually thinking about, believe it or not, trading with the take profit stop losses on there.
I believe anything with you, man.
And setting it to where it may only be like $600, because my issue is I hold losers way too long.
Yeah.
Way too long, and then I'll cut it like at 1,500, 1,700, 2,000, where I could literally just take the quick little L on the trade, $600, re-enter when the move actually happens. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, I know, like, I was reading this one book, and it was like talk about, you know, the psychology of a trader, and it just like that's one of the main concepts of scaling your, you know, as you're getting up in your gains, you don't have to take the same risk. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You might get a little more honey, but see, I could read words on a page, and there's some good stuff out there, but the practical nature of what you've given me is incredible. It's just like, that's kind of like a thing on the side. Like, you know, it's kind of like a scripture card, but like the Bible is here. You know what I mean? The whole thing.
That it is. Living it.
There, I'm looking at my phone too, so I could save me a little.
Trying to figure out what stop loss I want. We'll do 25.
Here we go. Maybe we're gonna get a breakout here.
All right, just a custom ATM strategy right there.
Did what?
I just did a custom ATM strategy real quick. Just for this account.
It looks like we're about to get up to the 15-minute high.
Finally, we got that pivot point up there at 554.
Well, I said it and then it started going down. So listen, keep going. It's like, wait a second.
Looking at the charts, seeing what we get in. Want to pass this eval today. Give me another funded account. But I do have to start thinking about potentially copy trading. Only because I am rotating a lot of accounts currently. Luden, I just added you to the community. So
Okay, thank you.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's that? I didn't look at it.
Let's see. Sellers are trying to step in right here. We have not broken out of the 15-minute range to the upside yet.
Well, look at that candle in the 5-minute. It's just like
It's
it went up
indecisive.
and
Indecisive.
Yeah, but it went up and then it got pushed right back down. And the 2-minute I'm looking at is just kind of like on the lower end of it too.
Want to get through this overnight high at the 532 level. There's that.
There you go. Twenty seconds on the 5-minute.
Did I miss you that? I think I did. Want to get out of this zone right here because literally super tight in this area.
Yeah, it's like, as I watch it, it just kind of a little this, a little of that.
I think we're getting ready to start waterfalling. I did not get a full fill on this trade, so I'll close it. And there it goes. Didn't get the full 5 contract fill.
I got 160 on that because it like.
We'll
did
take it.
close.
We'll
Yeah, I'll
take it.
Come on, go visit your friend the VWAP.
Go visit your friend the VWAP. That's awesome.
Oh, yeah. See that bear flag printing?
Yep. I was just getting ready to say it. Waiting
What?
on the 2 minute right now because we may start coming right back down now. So since the bulls could not push the price out of the 15-minute range. That's when you know it's a scam. Hello, I'm a recruiter at Transact. Your resume was submitted to us. I haven't submitted a resume in over like 10 years. Like,
Well, they finally got back to you.
a little late for that at this point.
Like
Let's see if we.
bear?
Yep. Waiting for this one on this 1 minute push up a little bit more for the bear flag.
Okay.
Buyers stepping in hard right here, so be patient. Be patient.
You got it going on the up.
Close that one. 425 right there.
Yo, guys, I'm out of here.
All right, man. Have a good day.
Good day.
Yeah, take it easy.
All right. I got tire tracks all over my back. Thanks. Bye, guys.
All right.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Wants to go up now.
We're going in either direction. I don't even care right now. Been taking little scalps on the way up here. All right, so cleaned up this eval. I don't trade with the stop loss, take profit, so gotta get used to it slightly. Not gonna lie.
The stop losses sometimes cut you off, like, you know, like it'll just bounce and hit it, and it's like, wait, the move hasn't happened. That's the hard part. So that got me like twice last week where I was trying it, and it was just like, it cut me off at red, and then the move happened, and I'm like, and it was in the midst of the green, and it just dipped, and then it went. So
it'll definitely take you out, and that part I need, because like I say, I hold losers way too long.
well, I
So
know you kept me around for over a month. I'm just kidding.
You're not a loser, Steve.
Thank you for that. No, I know.
Is it gonna go down or up?
Well, just hit my stop loss. But I feel like we're building a bull flag.
Time to doodle.
Time to doodle. Yes, sir. Feel like that high sitting right at the high of the 15-minute range wants to get hit.
Yeah, it definitely. It feels like the same. Like, you know what I mean? Just kind of watching it. It's just like it's meandering a little bit, but
Going up though. Look like it wants to push. Does it want to do?
Well, I wanted to go up. That'd be nice. Since I took a long.
Oh, you put a stop loss. Oh,
that I did. I'm testing it out right now. Because what's cool about the computer, it has no emotions.
right.
Once it gets triggered, it does its job. That's it.
hey, do you know how many micro accounts it takes to reach one contract on a other account? Just out of curiosity.
That I don't know.
So I was just curious, like how it scales up. If it's like one, you know, it just I've never like thought of it like that, but it just popped in my head.
Yeah.
Because there was like an email or something from Tradeify where it said you could trade up to 50 micro contracts. I'm like, okay,
Mhm.
what is that? If you have 50 of those, what does that equal in the mini?
Yeah. That's a good question. I'll actually look that up today.
That'd be cool. I used to do like a trivia question, multiple choice, and then put it winner takes all.
Winner takes all. The Bulls want to push.
I see that.
Moving that take profit up. Oh. Pull. Moved up the stop loss as well. I'm just going to start trailing it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
There we go.
Touch that sucker.
All right. That was a good 670 right there.
Congratulations, sir.
Good job, G.
All right, man. Oh, man. I'm following you, man. Duane.
This is for entertainment purposes only. No.
Following you, Duane.
Hey, am I leading you down the right path? That's the question.
Yes.
Then we'll take it.
You better than me, Duane. You still in that trade? Oh, you got out.
Hit my stop loss, but I was trailing it. Trailing it.
All right. So when okay, I need to do that. I need to start doing that.
I need to do it as well, but with how I have it set up, it's just difficult for me to like move the take profit because you can move everything up. For me, it's just slow. It's a slow process.
Yeah, it's just like the main thing with that, it's beautiful, but if it's scaled wrong, like there's a couple of them where it just like it blipped and it just like the thing was going green and it just did a small jag and it was like boom, you're out.
I think it's about to go back up again. That's that 550, 548, 548 range.
Wayne. No, now he's singing. See, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That means he's doing that. You know, that's pretty cool that he did.
That means he made some money a day. That's all. That's what that means. When he starts singing, he made some money a day.
Oh yeah. I want to see if I want to get. Is it gonna go up? What you gonna do?
It's going to hit my stop loss, then go up. Watch.
Well, you could move the stop loss if you believe in it, like if you're quick enough. But with me, it was like
I see the selling pressure right now. That's why I'm not moving it.
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to respect the stop loss.
It just did like either did 3 wrinkles down just as a quick glitch almost, and it just shut it off, and then it just kept trailing green. I was like, man.
Go up.
So next we got to break 548, and then
Yep.
All right, I'll take that 475. That's 1,300 for the day, and
Good job, sir.
Done trading.
Put it in the group. I want to see it. It gives me extra energy when I see you guys winning.
Yeah, that's it, man. That's it for the day. 1,300, I'm good. Hey, Duane, I'm telling you,
Huh?
I was doing 4. I was like, hold on, Dwayne doing 5?
Yeah, this is just an eval, but I normally only trade 4 contracts for my funded accounts. But this is an eval, so I rather max it because Tradeify caps you at 5. I rather it just be completely maxed out, so that way, if I hit it, I hit it. If I don't, I don't. You know what I'm saying?
That 5-minute, the last candle was just like a hyphen again, man. That's crazy.
Where do I do the post that on the feed, right?
In the discussion.
Okay, got you. I should have waited. I knew it was about to go touch that 548. I knew it.
There's a pivot point at 554, right?
Yep. Just trailing this all the way up here. We'll take that, clean that up. We're now sitting above the 15-minute range for the first time all day. Thought I put it in the profit, but I guess I did not trail that all the way to the profit. That's weird. Back to the 15-minute range right there. I probably only got like 5 more minutes. Then I'm gonna get off. I've been looking at charts since 8:15 this morning.
And I'm about to call it, man. Listen, 13. I want to tomorrow. Looking forward to tomorrow. I'm done for the day. I probably may get another eval though, because I blew on earlier today.
It happens to all of us.
But listen,
the whole goal is to at least with your funded account, whenever you have a funded account, just to get at least one payout. Because that one payout will cover your expenses.
Exactly, for sure.
Of how much you put in with profit.
Right.
So for me, like tonight, I'm requesting a $4,000 payout. For that $4,000 payout, I put in, because it's with Apex, it was, how much was that? I gotta double check. 118. So 118 total. But 2 accounts, so 236 I put in, and I'm getting 4,000 back.
Wow.
Like that. This is how you make your the smaller money have babies to get bigger babies. You know what I'm saying? Like, because off of that 4,000, I'll probably take another 236 and buy, 2 more accounts and get them funded, everything like that. I always reinvest the money I get, a small percentage of it, into buying more evals. Because for me, I'm making money off of it, so I might as well keep reinvesting. Because where is it? Because right here.
All right, fellas, I'm about to head on out.
All right, G.
All right. Ludens, you guys have a good one.
Yes, sir.
Like, I have tons of accounts. Like, that's tons of accounts. because I just reinvest.
Now let me ask you this: if you do blow a eval, do you refund it or do you just buy a new one?
If I blow a eval,
Yeah.
I normally won't buy more evals until I'm getting a payout. So
Yeah, but I'm just saying, like once you have the money, do you reinvest in the account that's blown, or you just like start a new account?
No, so I just start a new account. So the only one you can reinvest in is Take Profit. So if you blow your funded account, you can pay the reactivation for it, but they have a convenience fee of $700. I don't do that.
Okay.
Like you get the account for like $119. I'm not going to end up, if I blow it, pay $700 to get it funded again.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, you know, like on the Tradeify, if you get the 50,000, it's you know, like $45, but it's like also $45 just to reset the account. So would you just get a new account and just the one that's dead is just left?
Yeah, so I'll just cancel that subscription for the blown account.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
So it doesn't hit me for the next month for the $40. I'll just cancel that subscription and buy a new one.
Yeah. Got it.
But I'm actually going to be getting off here as well. Luden, I'm actually going to reach out to Dave to see if he could walk you through setting up your stuff, because he's really good at setting up the
yes, he's
Ninja
doing
Trader.
that right now.
Oh, there we go then. We'll take it. Well, I'll let you guys go. I was going to say have a good weekend, but I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, I think we've still got one more trading day left.
We got one more. So I'll see you guys tomorrow and have a good rest of your day.
All right. Later on, brother.
All right, guys.